going home.
I need your ID.
I don't have an ID.
What's your name?
I'm not giving it to you.
I'm gonna put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna arrest you.
Especially with the camera car, make sure you're not doing peep and Tom stuff, okay?
Not a PI. So the only thing you can have a camera for is if you're
For rookie police officers who don't understand the law, the concept of citizen governance is the first thing they put to the test.
Constitutional rights by arresting me for committing no crime. I wasn't impeding an investigation.
All right, well, you're being placed in investigative detention, okay? You're in investigative detention at this time, yes.
When even innocent people can be arrested, the line between law and abuse of power is blurring. Simply for stopping to help an unconscious person on the railroad tracks, with no ID requested and no charges stated, just minutes later, a citizen was handcuffed as police crossed the line.
I don't know what happened. We was driving by, the man's laying here. He says somebody hit him with a car. He's obviously been drinking, but he needs some help, so I didn't want to leave until somebody got him.
I appreciate you. And when you came here, you didn't see anybody else around? Or?
You know what? There was a white vehicle on the tracks, and I think they saw him about the same time we did.
Okay.
But they went on.
But you didn't see a vehicle around or anything like that? Okay.
But his head's all busted up, and he said he hurt.
Why don't you guys go ahead and pull up to give room for the ambulance?
We're going to go on. We just wait.
Well, I need your information real quick.
What information?
Just your information real quick. Give me 1 second. Can you just pull the vehicle up for a second?
It's not my car.
Jesus Christ. Give me your IDs and I'll run it now. Everybody's got to make shit rocket science. You got your ID on you?
It's not my car.
You have your ID on you.
No, I do not. Why are you yelling at me whenever I'm
Because you're not listening. You're not listening. I'm trying to get the ambulance here so we can get off the railroad tracks.
And we're going home.
I need your ID.
I don't have an ID.
What's your name?
I'm not giving it to you.
I'm gonna put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna arrest you. Makes sense.
I want to see your supervisor.
Put him in your car. Pat him down and put him in your car.
The moment a citizen began invoking constitutional rights, the officer's demeanor changed immediately, and the situation took a completely different turn.
I did nothing.
You got anything in your pocket, bud?
I got my cigarettes right there. I got my pajama pants on, man. We just saw the guy laying in the road. If I haven't been suspected of a crime.
I know, I just got called about this guy.
About who? I mean, we're just trying to help. All right. And the guy's yelling at me. That's what's the matter with the police force nowadays, man.
Well, let's get this figured out.
I did absolutely nothing but call to help this guy out, and I'm sitting here in cuffs. That's all I did.
Well, what happened? What happened
I don't
there?
know. We pulled up, and the guy's laying in the middle of the road, so we called 911.
Okay, copy 28 of a witness.
Asking me for ID, which I told him I do not have, and I haven't been suspected of committing a crime.
What's your name?
It's Aaron.
Okay.
But there's absolutely no reason to ID me when I haven't done anything. I'm just trying to help a guy.
Whenever you called about it, did you?
I didn't even call.
Oh.
The daughter called. I was out there with the man, making sure he was all right.
Okay.
Did nothing, man. And here I'm sitting in cuffs because your guy's an asshole. That's why. I want your supervisor out here, by the way. Get your sergeant
He's out here.
All right. Go ahead. That's why people record this stuff. You know that, right? You're breaking my constitutional rights by arresting me for committing no crime. I wasn't impeding an investigation.
All right. Well, I don't know what was going on there, so.
Nothing. We called to get the guy some help, and I'm in cuffs.
All right. Well, let me go talk to them, and hopefully we'll be able to get you out of here. Okay.
Also run a Aaron W.
There you go. That's me.
Date of birth for you in a moment.
Your guy was just being an asshole.
Aaron, listen, if you want to see asshole, I'll send you to the county jail. I'm asking you for.
A complaint in return for a threat, raising the question of whether justice here can be turned into a tool of retaliation.
Who is this guy to you, ma'am? Who is he to you?
He's my dad.
Why is he acting like this when I'm trying to get people off the railroad tracks for safety reasons?
I don't know, sir. I'm sorry.
I just need to know who we are. That's all I'm doing. I just asking him for his name, and he don't want to give it to me.
We were just trying to get this man some help.
Ma'am, I appreciate that, but at the same time, why cause one problem when we're trying to fix another? You know what I'm saying?
I understand, sir.
Go ahead.
They pulled up right after he was down. They didn't see anything, but just first ones on scene. B-Boy K King 92678. Boy King 92678. Copy 27.
Go ahead.
First is Molly, M-O-L-L-I, middle A Adam, female. Here you go, darling. What's his name?
Aaron.
Clear valid. 28 also returns.
What's his middle initial?
W.
W. Also run a Aaron W. I'll get a date of birth for you in a moment. Aaron, wait. Aaron, listen, if you want to see asshole, I'll send you to the county jail. I'm asking for your cooperation here.
For what?
I've got squad cars on railroad tracks. I'm trying to get them off of it because you don't want to listen. I'm asking for your cooperation and you don't want to give it to me.
You know what my cooperation was? Calling and getting this man some help.
Okay, so we're going to cause another problem by not clearing the railroad tracks? I'm asking you to pull forward.
Not my car.
And then I'm asking for your name so you guys can get out of here so we can pull forward.
At all. For no reason. You're asking for
that makes sense. Fucking.
In the end, the handcuffs came off, but the question remains, is helping someone in need really worth paying a price like this?
They're going to block you all in, and I was trying to get you out of there as quick as possible, but I can't have all these first responders stopping on the railroad tracks and not being able to get through. All I was trying to do is get...
Being aggressive. That's what he was. He was aggressive. And that's what got me.
Wouldn't you have to be if you got a guy that's not listening and you got the potential?
I don't have to listen to you just because you got a badge on. You know that, right?
I'm quite aware. But when you're there at the scene...
Trying to get somebody some help, pal.
I understand.
You know what's going to happen from this?
Aaron,
less people are going to try to stop people because of what just
Aaron,
happened here.
That's not what I'm trying to accomplish.
That's exactly what's going to happen. Because if I want to stop and go through this again and have a cop screaming in my face just for trying to help somebody.
All right, I thought we were on the same page, but listen.
I respect what you do, and I appreciate what you do.
If you do, then you'll get where
I don't owe you anything.
When I show up, you actually do by state law. I hate to say that, but I have...
Show me the law, then. Show me the law where Illinois says that you have to ID.
When a cop shows up on a crime, potential crime scene, accident scene, whatever it is, I have the right to know who's there.
I want to see the law where it says...
I have that right.
I want to see the law. Can I not see it? Can you not pull it up? Can you not pop it on your phone and say, Aaron Flanagan, here's the law, so next time I will know?
It's case law. If you want to wait here long enough for me to go research it and pull it up, I'll do it.
No, so you should already have that, right?
All you want to do is argue, man.
I don't want to argue. I just want you to know that people have
I'm telling you what the law is.
Constitutional rights.
Aaron, I'm telling you what the law is. Listen, I'm telling you what the...
Are you a lawyer? I mean, you know this for a fact?
See, like I said, all you...
Just let me go, all right?
You're free to go. All you want to do is argue. So that's obvious.
And what's your name?
It's Billy White.
Billy White?
I've already told you 3 times, man.
You know what? I got a brain tumor, and all you did was stress me out, so...
Centray, is his right up front or out back? Yeah, sometimes seconds can get somebody killed, man.
Don't yell at me.
Seconds can get somebody hurt, brother.
You know, yelling ain't going to help you out. It just took more time.
Not listening to the police ain't going to help either, man. Have a good one, Aaron. Take care, brother.
In Illinois, police officers who abuse their authority or make unlawful arrests may face internal discipline, lose qualified immunity, be sued in federal civil rights cases under Section 1983, and be required to pay financial compensation. Such police conduct can lead to internal complaints, civil investigations, and even civil rights lawsuits. Up next, a suspicious call, a vehicle parked along the roadside, and within seconds, every expectation of privacy is suddenly called into question.
You live over here, or what's we doing over here? I've had a couple people call in on you.
Okay, something illegal?
Well, no, they're just calling on you saying that they don't recognize a truck in the area. So, my duty to check and see if you live over here or what's going on.
Live over here. I'm here for a purpose.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. You working? So you got a ladder in the back. You working somewhere?
Yes, sir.
You got a driver's license on you, just so I can identify you?
Have I done something illegal?
Well, I like to identify you, just know who I'm dealing with. Make sure.
Before that, not to show that to me.
Well, if I'm making contact with you for a reasonable suspicion call like I am right now.
Being suspicious is a misdemeanor or felony.
Okay. Well, sir, here's the deal. I was called on you, okay? For a suspicious vehicle, you said yourself you don't live over here, you have a purpose. What's your purpose? Is it legal or illegal?
That's for you to determine.
Okay. So for me to determine that, I need to see your ID.
How is my ID going to determine whether?
Well, it helps to let you know who I'm dealing with. Let you know who I'm dealing with.
But my name doesn't tell you whether I'm.
Yeah, it would tell me, like, if I don't know if you belong over here. You said you don't, so I don't know if someone over here's got a VPO or something against you, and if you got your ID
Did
or
I
something.
say I didn't belong over here?
You said you had purpose.
I don't live over here.
Okay.
Okay. I do belong
Okay.
here.
All right.
So that's as far as I'm willing to take it.
So you're not willing to give me your ID?
I don't have any reason to.
Okay. Well, do you have a reason being over here?
Absolutely.
Okay. Can I know that reason?
No.
Okay.
No accusation, no clear evidence. Yet the officer's next demand pushed the situation beyond control.
And you don't comply, it's obstruction, correct?
Am I being detained?
I'm asking you a question first before I answer that.
Okay. Until I know whether or not I'm being detained.
You are not free to leave at this time.
Okay, then I'm being detained. I won't answer any.
Until I deactivate my lights, until you're free to go, you're detained. It's like a traffic stop. Okay? So, do you have an ID on you? Do you have an ID on
I
you?
don't answer questions.
Do you have an ID on
I
you?
don't answer questions. Public roadway, that's perfectly legal.
This is public roadway.
Public roadway.
Owned by the city of Blanchard. But is it owned by the city of Blanchard? Is this owned by the city of Blanchard? But that's not what I'm asking, sir. 28, come back to this.
Oklahoma City, your address is 7901 South Johnson Road.
Are you Mr. Blanche?
Not Mr. Blanche. That's not what she said.
That's what it sounded like. That's what it sounded like. Can you repeat that last name, please?
This day and age, as you guys put it, citizens have to start standing up for their rights or they lose their rights.
I'm not trying to lose your rights at all, man. I'm just trying to make sure all these people around here living in this neighborhood are safe. Okay?
Do you have any reason to believe that I'm here for a nefarious reason?
Do you think I have any reason to believe that you're not?
When the citizen asserted that compliance was not required, the officer invoked a familiar word, obstruction.
And he's been videoing this whole time.
I know you've
Don't
been
answer
doing this.
questions. Go ahead and just lock me up.
What are you arresting him for?
I don't know. Not very long.
What are you arresting him for? What are you arresting him for?
Huh?
He hasn't violated really a crime yet, so not.
Are you investigating a crime or possible crime?
Possibly.
Okay,
Suspicious
he's
vehicle.
obstructing an officer from doing his duty, right?
Okay.
Said you're meeting somebody here in a few
The
minutes?
officer has a legal right to make contact with you based on call.
And I'd have
You're
to
obstructing
answer
that.
questions.
I'm not here to listen to you. I'm here to tell you what's going on. Okay? I don't care if you record me.
We are ours
here.
supportive
Okay,
too.
you're obstructing an officer from doing his duty, so now you're under arrest unless you want to cooperate. Okay? That's legal. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Would you like to explain the address and the time on the full side of your vehicle with the camera?
I don't answer questions.
Okay.
Look, man.
Identify yourself.
I don't answer questions.
Look, man.
They didn't ask a question. Hey.
Can you at least take your hands out of your pockets? Thank you.
Look, all I'm trying to do, man, if you're PI, no big deal. We'll get out of here. We gotta confirm who you are. Make sure, especially with the camera car, make sure you're not doing peep and Tom stuff. Okay?
Not a PI. So the only thing you have a camera for is if you're a PI.
No, that's not what I'm saying, sir.
Insurance adjusters aren't allowed to have
Are
a
you an
camera
insurance adjuster?
to take photographs of damage and stuff.
Are you an insurance adjuster?
I possibly might be.
Okay. Do you have any proof of that?
When no charge could be established, the officer began clinging to peripheral details, and the so-called investigation appeared to drift beyond the boundaries of the law.
Let's see if there's anything about this house.
What law have I done?
Turn around, pretend right back for a second. You're being placed in investigative detention, okay? You're in investigative detention at this time. You understand
I
that?
hope all your body cameras are on.
They are, sir. Do you understand that? I said you're in.
Just said
What did I say?
that I'm under investigative detention.
What does that mean?
I'm being detained.
Okay. So you're being detained.
I understand what that means.
All right. So
There's a difference between an arrest and a detainment.
there is. You're correct. If you're an insurance adjuster, that's fine. We'll identify you. We'll make sure you're at the right house and kick you loose. Not a big deal, bro.
Well, the folder for this house is right there. The homeowner's not home, so she doesn't.
Do you have the homeowner's name that I can contact? Make sure you're supposed to be here.
Yeah, but that's none of your business.
Okay, that's
As a
fine.
matter of fact, you want to go talk to that neighbor right there. He has the garage door to let me into the house so I can get a photograph of the inside of that garage door.
That's all you had to say from the beginning, man.
I don't have to tell you that. Don't you guys understand what my rights are?
Nobody said you have to tell us that. What we said is that you have to identify
I
yourself.
do not.
You
I
do
haven't
have to
broken a
identify
tie.
yourself. But we are here investigating whether or not you have. We have reason
You
to
have
believe.
every right
Listen
to
to me.
investigate.
Stop interrupting. You asked for my respect. I'm asking for yours in return. Okay? We are investigating because somebody called a suspicious vehicle and person in that vehicle. Okay? I'm not done talking. Within that investigation, we can identify you by getting your identification. You are required because we are investigating that you may be committing a crime, and therefore you must identify yourself.
What crime?
Trespassing.
Okay.
That's
Tresp-
number one.
Okay, sir.
To be trespassed, I
Keeping
have to be
time
asked to
for
leave.
all we know. Okay,
And that's
for all
you
we
guys
know.
to determine.
That's right, and
That's
in doing that,
part
we
of
have
your
to identify you.
investigation. No, you don't.
Yeah, we do.
No. can ask for my identification. I am not legally required to give it to you.
Except that you...
No, I'm not. My attorney has told me so.
I don't care what your attorney told you.
What began as a request for identification quickly escalated into threats of arrest and handcuffs, despite the absence of any clearly established charge. When citizens are treated like suspects simply for not understanding or complying with unlawful demands, society risks losing its trust in justice. Hey everyone, what do you think about this situation? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support us with a donation. Thank you so much.